Rey, where are we? Do you know? We're at the Great Wolf Lodge in Fitchburg, Massachusetts. Hello kiddos. Hello babies. You excited?
Yeah!
I guess they are. The view from the room.
We have to buy 2 sandwiches. Hot dog, C-so-C, 8-so-8.
Because we're gonna go in a water park, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. In a water park today.
Keep going, you.
Oh my goodness, Wiley, you're so silly.
Rey, go up to him. Go up to her.
I don't know who rocks it better. Is that good for you?
Rey, go up to her.
He's moving further away. Come on, Rey. Oh,
Now you're gonna go?
Oh, we gotta go to the swim. We gotta go swimming.
Let's have a dragon here. How magical. Oh, MagiQuest is right here. Maybe Kaylee's gonna do that later. Not sure, but perhaps. Ooh, an arcade. I like how they make you walk through it, so you know it's here. I am partial to arcades, especially if they have the pinball, which I guarantee you, they don't. I'm not seeing any. Not looking good. Rey, no. Kaylee, where are we going? Can we go up there? Let's go. The water could be warmer there. It's very hot in here. The water could be warmer. You gonna go down the slide, Kaylee? He's about to come down the blue one. Woo-hoo-hoo! How was that, Kaylee? Is that fun? Oh, man! How was that, Kaylee? Ah, lazy river over here. Vest on. That's great. Whoa! Good thing she has that. shrunk. Still only 40 inches. Don't let go, Kaylee. Don't let go. Whoa! Whoa! It's so dark. I can't see anything. Whoa! Whoa, Kaylee! Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! This is so fast! It's so fast! Whee! There we go. Was that fun? Kaylee, come here. Was that fun? Or was that scary?
That was fun. I want to go again.
All right. Hey, Kaylee. Over here, this looks like a full-service bar, and you can watch some college basketball, I think. And here is buckets, incredible cravables. And I believe there's a bucket of ice cream and brownies, goodness. Coca-Cola freestyle. Golf, Green Wolf team. Pirate ship on the backside of the kiddie play zone. Now it's time for the wave. What do you think about that, Ray? Not a fan. Not a fan. Kaylee's getting smushed back there. Kaylee, keep it up. You're going to end up in Boston. You're going the wrong way. Come back to me, Kaylee. Kaylee, what did you think of the wave pool? You heard it here first. Sadly, this area is closed for some reason, which would be perfect for Kaylee and Rey to play in. I'm not sure why. I can only assume an accident of some sort happened. It's one of the family tube rides, slightly bigger than this situation. Oh my God, hear the heartbeat? That's not scary at all. Alright? That's a little slippery.
Go down and get your arms crossed, cross your legs as well, and hold those and get towards the bottom, alrighty?
Alright.
All set?
3, 2, 1.
Shoot! course, they stop moving as soon as I get over here. Kaylee, did you see this? There's a fire-breathing dragon. Oh. First, Kaylee is gonna make herself a wand. Oh, probably a blue one. We pre-purchased a package where Kaylee can make her own wand and go on a magical quest. Of course you're gonna make a blue one.
Hey, over here, the dragon.
Look at that dragon, Kaylee. Oh. I think it's this thing over here, Kaylee. There you go.
Rules.
Oh, he was not happy about that.
Can you discover a means to heal the land and save the pixies? Ruins needed. Dazzle, heal an enchanted creature.
Hey, you want to be part of the Clubhouse crew? Head over to the Great Wolf Kid store to purchase
hot
a
dog.
Great Wolf Kid.
I'm not even gonna attempt to Mr. Kosher this buffet, but this is my plates. All the proteins. Ray with a little mini pizza. And Kaylee. Yeah, exactly. As part of Kaylee's Paw Pass, she gets to make a creature at the creation station. They have little characters. Brindley Bear is the bear mascot, if you will. Wiley, Violet, Sammy, Brindley, and the unnamed coyote, and Rachel, the raccoon.
That's an interesting name for a dragon. I don't think
Hey Ray, look, it's us. We're in a reflection in the mirror of a window.
a lot of fluff to see the big dragon.
Thank you, Ray. Here's some great Wolf Lodge merch, specifically with wolves on it.
These are the ones that we
He's kind of cute, don't you think, Ray? Don't you think so? Yeah. Now that's a cool shirt. I mean, that one's cool too. Kaylee, show me a free bracelet. Your bracelet that was part of the deal.
I think Daddy would like this flavor.
And then she also gets a cup of Jelly Bellies of her choice.
Soda, sour. Just a wolf.
Wolfie, the amazing Spider Wolf. Wolf minions. Hound of a night. Yeah, I did school. And was it great? Wolf Lodge. One's got to wonder, when you go to a summer water park, there's water always dripping. And if you look at this one, there's icicles hanging from the seams. Yet when I was in there earlier, it was not freezing. It is very peculiar. It must be superheated somehow. By magic.
My name's Oliver. I'm the computer tech who fixes everything for the Clubhouse crew. That Wayne is so sneaky. He just came by and unplugged all the cords for my security cameras. He plugged some of these cords back in. Circle goes with circle and triangle goes with triangle. You get it.
Circle.
Most excellent.
Howdy, friends. I'm Violet. I love my friends and to take care of everyone. Well, I guess I love them all. I didn't see Wayne the woodchuck because I was busy making a new lotion for soup.
Shake him. There you go.
I was just sitting here eating some honey because, well, I was a little scared.
Oh no. Caramel apples. Beer growlers here. They're plastic. Tiger technique. There you go, kid.
You did it! Oh wait, you're still gonna score. Oh, you almost crushed Daddy.
Oh, there's faces on these. of the venture. And it's not working. Loading in these hills. Annie's about to do some mining. Part of her class.
Okay, let's see what we got for jewels. Okay, where's your jewels?
Handy chart to show which
Not bad.
items, jewels you've gotten. So the cool thing is, this is actually free for the smaller kids. We're up above $10 for lily climbing. Anybody under 48 inches must be accompanied by an adult over 48 inches.